How is it, everyone? Wow. Wow, so this thing with me, it's an all-in-one. And it's completely not responding now. So I've tried to change cables. Still nothing. There is no difference at all. So this thing is basically dead. Nothing at all. So I'm going to open this thing up. Then we can start from there. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video and open this thing up and then continue from there. Okay, I'm gonna pause and open this thing up and then proceed from there. Okay, so it didn't even take much time. I thought it needed a lot of unscrewing and stuff. Actually, all it needed was for me to flip these two. After flipping them and then, yeah. So now we're inside and I'm just trying to check, okay, there's some signs of liquid over there. Come in. Chris, how's it? I'm good, man. What's up? Okay, sorry about that, guys. Someone that just walked in. Okay, so basically I was saying we've opened this thing. Let's just check what's happening with it. So I'm gonna treat it as if I'm fixing a PC, because basically it is a PC. Got a power supply here. Yeah, power supply here and the motherboard this side. So I'm gonna take out the power supply and try to see if it can run. Then we know it's the power supply or what. So we'll put the multimeter into voltage mode. Yeah, then we can check if the power supply is working. So we just need one black and the green wire. You can see I've got 5 volts over there. The purple wire as well. The grey wire is for nothing, and yellow wire is for nothing, but because I need to switch on the power supply first by shorting the black wire and the green wire. So there is our 12 volts. This power supply is working fine. So the issue is on the motherboard. So like I was saying, I've got a little bit of sign of liquid over there. Okay. So the best thing that we can do is to kind of check for short circuits. So usually I just go straight to the CPU or just anywhere around the processor. Okay, so here we are. I'm going to check for short circuits on this motherboard. Okay, we've got 0, 0 over there. That looks like the main power. Let me just confirm with this side. Okay, here we don't have any short. We don't have a short there. We don't have a short there. And we don't have a short there. dead short. What I'm doing is I'm looking for capacitors and probing across them to see what I can get. Don't get a short. Okay, let's come around the DRIMs for the CPU. Got a 0, 0 there. Got another 0, 0 over there also. So it's kind of possible that our issue is the processor. We can take it off. We can take off the processor and see if our short disappears. If our short disappears, then we know we've got a dead processor and a dead MOSFET. Going to check for that short over there. And the short is still there. So at this point I'm quite sure our short is being caused by a dead cap. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab the short killer. Okay, so I'm gonna take out the motherboard and then we can check it from that side. Just gonna remove the screw. What is wrong with you? Hey! Does it explode or something? These cables are not complicated, except for the SATA cables. I don't see any cables that look the same. So we are not going to be difficult to identify when putting it together. So let me move this now. Okay, let's see anything else holding it in place. I'm just going to remove the iron shoe, which actually I think is affecting anything. I'm trying to get a shortcut whereby I don't remove this. Seems to be refusing to exist because of too many cables. So let's take this off then. Oh. this should allow me to have enough space. Okay, cool. So with the motherboard is out, we're gonna take it to my repair desk. Try to see if there's anything noticeable underneath that can be a cause for alarm. Nope, there isn't. Except for these marks, I think you can see them over there. That is liquid damage. Some sort of liquid over there. And then also around the VRAMs for the CPU. Yeah, you can see those. So there seems to be like liquid that managed to creep in, probably via the cooling fan. Yeah, definitely via the cooling fan. Let me check the second. Yeah, definitely via the cooling fan, because you can see there's marks over here as well as over there. So it has to do with the PC being used close to water. Bring it back. Okay, so there we are. Sorry about the interruptions, but there's going to be more actually, because as I had mentioned in another video, we are moving from this office to another office. So it's the carpenter that's doing fittings there. He keeps calling me, so yeah. So as I said, like, there's signs of liquid over there. You can clearly see them. Yeah. So, and then there's also signs of liquid over here. But if you look at this cap over here, it's kind of discolored. I don't know if you can clearly see that. Yeah, probably not. But with my naked eye, I can clearly see this is discolored. Anyways, let's work on the motherboard. So I'm gonna clean the motherboard. And then see if that short circuit disappears. But even if it does disappear, I still have to remove those caps over there. So I'm just using an alcohol and a toothbrush, which at this point I believe everyone does. I think everyone just uses a toothbrush. Not even sure if there's a specific brush for doing this. But as far as I've noticed, everyone uses a toothbrush. So here, there's some really bad corrosion here. But these are inductors, so yeah, I can see L3 and L4 over there. So they shouldn't really cause an issue. But the capacitors around there, they're the ones I'm worried about. So okay. So yeah, the motherboard is not really that clean, but it's clear now. So yeah, I haven't removed it completely, all the dirt. That will need an isopropyl bath or something, but it's clear enough for me to be able to identify if I inject voltage. Okay, so here's the multimeter again. We're gonna try to check for the short. So we were measuring it from over there, and the short still exists, and here as well, and here as well. So we can inject voltage now. So I'm gonna use the short killer. When I use the short killer, I will start at 1.4 volts. I'm not so sure which side is ground and which one is positive. Okay, I think I can see this is ground and that is positive. So I should be able to inject from this side. And we're drawing 20 amps. Let me grab a thermal camera. Okay, so I'm gonna inject that voltage now. Let me zoom out. Okay, so the short is somewhere over there. 39 degrees. That's where our short circuit is. I don't know if you guys could see. So yeah, you can see the phone, but not clearly the reading on the phone. Okay, so I'm gonna point it over here. So I'm gonna point the camera over there. So you can see it's on 32 degrees now. But when I inject, it's jumping all the way to 40. So that's where our short circuit is. 40 degrees. Let me try to feel it. Nope. Yeah, it's somewhere around here. I'm not sure if it's the probe that's getting warm or what. No, it's just the probe getting warm. It is the probe which got warm. Okay, that is weird. Okay, I was not injecting any voltage. I was probing to ground. So this is the positive and it's only drawing 0.0 amps. So we need to up the current, the voltage. So I've put it to 2.2 volts. Okay, so now we've got some action over there. Cool. So all that reading was the probe getting warm. So this time we can try to have a clear view. Okay, it swallowed all that. Now I need to up the voltage again. 3.2 volts. Wow, it's not drawing anything anymore. The short is gone, like it's kind of the short is gone. Yeah, I still have a buzz, but that short circuit is gone. Because 0.045 now. Let's put in ohms mode and check for resistance. Yeah, we don't have a short anymore. We've got 54 ohms. So that is bad in the sense that we do not know. We don't know if the short is still there or not. Okay, so what I'm simply gonna do is check on the output VRIMs before I put back the CPU. I'll check for a short over here. I'm just gonna put it in beep mode, and I don't have a beep on the output. Okay, no beep, so which means there is not dead MOSFET. But I have a short on this capacitor, so it's the one that blew up. Yeah, it's literally flaking off. So pieces of it are just coming off now. That cap over there, if you look at it on the corner there, oh, it actually came from the motherboard by itself, so I'm sure that's where our short circuit was coming from. So when I injected voltage there, I guess it overboiled and just went off the motherboard. So yeah, I'm quite sure our issue has been solved now. So checking again. No, we don't even have a beep anymore. Yeah, so that's where our issue was with that capacitor there. Anyways, I think we can put back the motherboard in the casing and test it out. Okay, so we're gonna put back the motherboard in the casing. Okay, cool. So first I'll put back the CPU to make my life easier. If this works, we'll still have to replace those capacitors. Okay, so I'll put the power supply. Oh, it just switched on. Switched on. Okay, I'm gonna disconnect with the power then. Yeah, I don't want it running without big stick and put it, but you can see the water came in from here. So yeah, that's where our issue is. The user probably put this all in one close to a lot of water. So I'm gonna try to see what is necessary and what is not. Because we will need the display. Which camera is going to display? Probably this one. This is for a cooling fan. This is for a DVD drive. Yeah. And hard drive and stuff. No, it's not necessary. I think it's for the camera. I'll plug it in. Okay, so you can test it out now. We've got a fan skin and we've got a sound. Okay, do we have a display? No. Okay, press the power, so I don't have a display. I have no idea why. Probably I didn't connect correct cable. Okay, so let me plug in all the cables first. I'm not gonna be the one deciding what's important and what is not. Let me just plug in everything. Oh yeah, clearly written there, LVDS power. That's for the backlight. So it was not plugged in. I'm just gonna plug in the SATA cables and hope that the PC is gonna boot. And there we go. Thinkcentre, American Mega Trends. There we go, the PC is booting into Windows. So let's just make sure it boots all the way to the username, and then we can start from there. So I'm just trying to cover the username there. For me, I don't usually do that, but you know, privacy, what. Okay. I'm actually hoping I covered the right spot. But I'm sure the username pops up over there anyways. We don't have anything. Oh, is it still loading? Let me grab the mouse and check. Okay, yeah, cool. There we go. It was still loading. Okay, so cool. There we go. It's loading into Windows. So that's all there was to it, guys. This is not the first time I'm noticing this, whereby a PC comes because someone put it close to water. For example, a laptop, you place it next to water, it draws all that water in and just spreads it all over the motherboard. Yeah, that is exactly what happened here. Whoever was using this PC was close to water, and the fan simply drew all the water in and started spreading it all over the motherboard. So yeah, we're good on this one, guys. I hope you learned something, and as always, I'll see you on another one. Thanks for watching, guys. Cool.